Okay, for some reason it keeps saying temporarily out of service. Same thing, you guys. When I get those type of messages, I usually cut my machine off and I cut it back on. So you got this switch down here, and you can just shut the switch off and then shut it back on. And then you'll wait a little bit, and eventually your machine will say ready. You see how I got it? Yep. Turn the other way around. Yep. All right, good job. All right, Renzo, your turn. Here, let me fix this. Yep, so it goes in on the side part. Yep. All right, good job. Then we're gonna slide this back in. It's saying ready. It's not saying temporarily out of service anymore.